Hi, my name's Anne-Marie Kunz, and I am a 7th grade reading teacher at Teton Middle School in Teton Valley, Idaho. We're right on the Idaho-Wyoming border, just across the border from Jackson Hole. If you're a skier, we are the home of Grand Targhee, and you'll know where that is. I am currently working at a middle school. This is my 7th year teaching at the middle school, and like I said, I'm the reading teacher, and I love it. I'm certified K-8 and have been working in this district my entire career. My technology strengths are number one, I'm not afraid to try new things, which is great because there are so many educational technology tools out there that can help us reach students to make accommodations and to make modifications as well. Some weaknesses, as I was thinking about this, I think one of my biggest weaknesses is that I can get into a rut and just stay in my comfort zone of the kinds of technologies that I'm using in the classroom. The digital tools that I am comfortable with and have at my disposal within my job right now are all Google formats. The Google platform is basically what my district uses. We all use Gmail, we all use a Drive, we have shared documents. My school has a shared folder of that's called the TMS master document file, and that's where we have everything from committee meeting minutes to department items to our master calendar. Everything's kept in Google Calendar, and that's how we even schedule our evaluations and meetings with our principal. Google Apps for Education that I'm familiar with and I currently use with my kids are all the same that we use as professionals. So Google Drive, Gmail, we share docs, but we also use some apps like Google Classroom, as well as using some other programs like Newsela, where you can import your class list from Google Classroom and then make assignments in those different types of platforms. Edpuzzle's one as well, and those are all types of Google Apps for Education that we use. Again, my name's Anne-Marie Kunz, and I'm looking forward to sharing this time with you and learning from you throughout this course. Thanks.